And now we're gonna attempt to do our first dimpling on the skins of the aircraft, and this is the vertical stabilizer, and this is really one of the hardest skins to do. And being by myself, I have to put something to weigh it down a little bit while I open the skin to reach. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna do the part where it's unreachable with a pneumatic squeezer, and we'll see how that goes. And I'll be taking my time in doing so. I had already taped over the holes that it should not be dimpled, so I don't inadvertently dimple them. Well, I think that went very well. I think this is a success considering one man's operation. The line in the middle is obviously easier than the one that's further in, and of course the perimeter, you can even do that with a pneumatic squeezer. It is no problem. But the issue was the ones in the center. These are the ones that's just a headache to reach, and a lot of people have to flip it over, and the dies and so forth. So this machine can make it easily a one-man operation with the use of a 2x4. So, but anyhow, I think you guys pretty much got the idea of this machine as far as the dimpling part is concerned. I'm sure you guys don't want to see me here all day long doing this in the rest of the haul. And so I will go ahead and finish the rest of this skin, and I'll catch up with you guys later.